Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Yes, it's crooked because I broke my ring light phone holder today. As I was making my last video, my phone went crashing down. I guess we'll see who watches to the end and is laughing because my phone's falling into a pile of stuff off of my video making area. So Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 1547 of What You Up To Now. Just goes to show you, no matter how many videos you've done, no matter how many things you plan for and consider, stuff still happens and stuff still breaks. So today, as soon as I'm done with this, I will hop on Amazon and order a new ring light. I guess I shouldn't complain. This one's lasted about a year, so that's about all you can expect for a ring light setup. So what are we talking about today? In Supersize Your Business, our idiom was crux of the matter. We talked about this about 8 months ago or so, but today I talked about it with respect to our business and supersizing and growing our business. I guess I did 8 months ago as well, but today specifically with respect to finding the root cause of problems and situations, our central theme or topic, the one thing that we're sharing in our business, the whole purpose and reason our business exists versus other people doing similar things. Key performance indicators. What are the things that we look at personally that help us gauge how our business is doing? It's different for each and every one of us. It's been different for all the different businesses that I've been involved in. A lot of times it's profit. A lot of times it's overall sales, but gross sales is not a good indicator. I learned that early on in my career for determining what your profitability is going to be. It depends on all the different ways your business is run. And I actually, in my businesses, have key performance indicator for each function of the business. And those are the numbers, those are the things that I look at. But each leader and each manager of each different division needs to have their own key performance indicators. How do they know how their division is doing or their department is doing with respect to the whole? So we talked about that. And then we talked about what is the purpose and overall reason for being, and is your business a priority for you? Is it one of your top priorities when you look at your overall life? Is your business a crux of the matter, a reason for being, a reason for your existence? And where does it fall in your priority list? Our topic for today for our annual challenge, the BU 365-day challenge, was our spirit, your spirit. Now, yesterday we talked about your soul. So my first question when I was looking into that yesterday is I was thinking, why did I pick your soul and your spirit? Because to me, they were the same thing. But I Googled it and I researched it and I discovered that our soul and our spirit are indeed different. Our spirit is like the supernatural part of us that continues on after we are no longer in our physical body. It is the energy force, the life force of our being. And then we talked about other things that are considered spirits and how does that impact us. And we're going to just share one word that currently describes our spirit. And I shared grow because my spirit is in a growth phase and a desire to grow and understand and be more and become a better version of myself, right? But that's actually the overriding purpose of our spirit, is to come here on the planet, take physical form, learn and grow and experience things to contribute to the rest of the world. So I'm going to hop off now and do some research and find myself a new ring light, and hopefully it can come in 2 days. So I only have to duct tape my holder for 1 day or 2 days. We'll see. All right. Have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow.